Chef Michael Hunter here to talk to you about foraging for one of my favorite mushrooms of all time, the morel mushroom. Now I typically stumble upon these when I'm turkey hunting, but I'm going to give you some tips to look out for them when you go hiking and tell you how to cook them.
I'm turkey hunting today and I'm walking on the field edge. I almost stepped on my favorite mushroom of all time, the morel. Where there's one, there's more.
Morels are often found near poplar, dead elm, and old apple trees. Look for semi-shaded areas with mossy, well-drained soil, and move slowly because these mushrooms can hide in plain sight. There are a few main types of morels you'll find while foraging. Earlier we saw the gray-white morel, and these are black morels. They're often found near cedar and other coniferous trees, tucked into cool, shady, mossy ground. True morels have a honeycomb cap and are hollow from top to bottom when cut in half. False morels, like Geomitra, often have a wrinkled brain-like cap and may be chambered inside. When in doubt, leave in the woods. I'm seasoning all-purpose flour with my signature wild game dry rub and adding a splash of hot sauce and a pinch of salt to buttermilk. First, soak the morels in the buttermilk and mix well to coat the honeycomb pits. Now dredge the morels in the seasoned flour and toss to evenly coat. Heat your oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm using peanut oil. Then fry your morels until golden brown. You may need to flip them if shallow frying like this. Now your fried morels are done. Lift out of the oil and let them drain onto a paper towel and season with salt or more dry rub.
I hope you enjoyed this video on how to fry morel mushrooms. I hope you get a chance to find some this spring and try out this recipe. Don't forget to pin those spots because they'll roughly be in the same place year after year.